Now, I'm just running a couple of errands. I do need to go to Aldi and Dollar Tree. From Aldi, I'm not sure tonight if I want to make spaghetti or if I want to make burgers. So I already have burgers at home, like the frozen patties. So really, realistically, all I need for that is just cheese and lettuce. And I wanted to make Big Mac sauce with it, which I feel like I already have the ingredients to make it. I already have meatballs though to make the spaghetti, and I have ground beef. So I don't need nothing else but spaghetti. And I only need one thing from Dollar Tree, so I'm happy that the Aldi that I'm going to, there's a Dollar Tree literally in the same like shopping area. So it's perfect. I don't have to go too far. So we're about to head on our way to Aldi and Dollar Tree, like I said, in the same area, so it's gonna be a quick little errand run. I love that for me. Girl, when I tell you it's not even a need, I must get my life together, and it's starting today. We're gonna take a whole week to get our life together because honestly, doing a Sunday reset is not realistic for me at all. Like I just can't. I just really can't. And I actually got a very exciting package today, so I'm opening that right now. And I'm so excited about all the packages I got today because literally I just love to collab and work with new brands. Like new year calls for new money, new brands, new relationships, and I'm just so excited because it's always good to, you know, evolve and just get in contact and network with new people and new brands because that's how you grow. So I'm literally super excited about all the stuff I got in the mail. Like y'all don't even understand. I had to already open up one of them because they had dry ice in them and I did not want that to melt. Fruit Riot sent over literally every single one of their flavors, y'all. Came like this, like how you get like the HelloFresh, you know, orders, whatever the case may be. First of all, they gave me this cute little Fruit Riot freezer bag to like store, I guess, like when I go grocery shopping or whatever the case may be, I can store, you know, my groceries in here if I go grocery shopping and get me some more Fruit Riot, which I will do. Are we kidding? Do we? They're just so cute. Like I said, you guys, I got every single flavor. Look at all the flavors I got. So first off, I got both the grape flavors because they have two different ones. They have the regular grape flavor and they also have the grape flavors, like the bunch of different like flavors mixed in with it. Then I also got the sour pineapple flavor and the sour mango flavor. First things first, we're gonna try the regular OG sour grape flavor. Ooh, these are so big. Look how, y'all, look how big these are. This is the original OG flavor. As you guys can see, it looks like a damn tennis ball. It's so huge with all the sour coating. Like, I'm excited. Wait. It might not look like I'm enjoying this, but this is so good. Like, you know how things are like, oh my gosh, it's so sour, you could just probably only eat one. For a regular person, this is probably too sour for them. For me, this is like really the perfect amount of sour. Like, it's not too overbearingly sour, so I can't eat no more. Next bag we're going to open is the other grape bag, but this one is with the mixed flavors, like the mixed berry, green apple, and lemon lime. Super excited for this one. This one I think has both the purple and the green grapes, but I'm not sure. A bunch of huge grapes in here. This one looks more intensified in the sour flavor. I'm super excited. Fruit Riot, if you're watching this, add some blue raspberry. Okay, like a blue raspberry flavor. That's my top candy flavor. Like, please add that. I would literally cry. Here's the mixed berry grape one. This one looks so good. Really good. I feel like I wouldn't be able to tell which one is green apple or lemon lime because I feel like they would be like the same. I don't know what this one is, but we're gonna see when I eat it. Here's a lemon lime. I don't know, but it tastes like a Jolly Rancher, you guys. Oh my god. Like, if you're looking for a very healthy, like, quick snack and you don't want too many calories, you guys know I don't care about calories, but if you do, literally all these flavors except for the pineapple is 45 calories. The pineapple ones are 40 calories, so you get 5 calories off for the pineapple. I literally want to cry right now. This is so good. So I tried every flavor. Every flavor is good. Like I said, this tastes just like Jolly Ranchers. Oh my god. The next flavor is the sour mangoes. My favorite fruit of all time is mango. So I'm excited. I already like me a frozen mango. So with a splash of lemon juice and some sour cone and buki. Oh yeah. The mango smells like sorbet. It smells so good. You guys, look at the mango. They're just some cute little bite-sized pieces. This is what it looks like. And all these pieces are like the perfect ripe mango. Definitely a nice juicy mango. And I do feel like perfect when you do leave it out for at least 3 to 5 minutes. All right, guys, so I'm trying to go fast because I do not want these to melt and then they don't freeze the right way. The last bag is the sour pineapple. And these are how the pineapple ones look. They kind of look like a light-skinned version of the mangoes. These look so good as well. Like you guys can see, they actually very much covered this in some sour coating like all around. I'm not mad at all. This is so good. I think this is my favorite one. I don't know. Y'all already know I had to do some retail therapy, right? I'm listening. Yeah, I get that, but like I'm kind of busy. But mommy's busy. Oh, this is so cute. It says caution. Contents inside are smoking hot. At the bottom it says never basic, never boring. Our pieces are curated for those who love to take risks and turn heads. Period. 2. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Because what we talking about? Okay, I see what the girls are talking about. Because these slid on like nothing and I was so nervous. Wait a minute. Hold on, let me back up for y'all. Honestly, y'all went with a 7, like my true size. Like I could have went my 7.5 and been good. Because these are kind of like a little bit big, like just a tad. I love me a boot that's gonna make the girls gag. I love me a boot that's gonna be that girl. And this is definitely gonna be a main character for my clothing rack. I'm gonna start opening it because my dad gonna take a minute to answer. He better answer. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Mama. I like your hair.
Thank you, I did it myself. I said, you're talking about what I got. This is your stuff. I've been thinking about putting curtain bangs on this wig for so long. I've never had curtain bangs, and since I got this wig in the mail, it just felt like the way it was like framed, like the way it was made, I should say, literally feels like it deserves some bang. I had bangs like back then when I used to get washed and said, if you know, you know. That's like what, over a decade ago, and I just feel like this wig like gives off bangs. This wig looks crazy right now. I have to like hot comb it and everything and recurl it, whatever. But I want to do something like this where it's like some layers in there, and I don't know, like just kind of like frame my face. I don't want it to be like bang bang, like to the point like a fringe bang, but I want it to give like, you know, like I don't know, something like this. This is really what I want, something like this. This is exactly what I'm going for. I've never cut bangs before, so we're just hoping for the best. All right, it looks kind of off right now, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix that. We got some more packages. The girl got his outfit today, and I literally did overnight shipping with it, so I'm like so surprised that it actually came on time and early because it's only not even 1 o'clock yet, y'all. So I'm cool with that for sure because I really wanted his outfit to be here because I was last minute with it. Like literally, y'all, it was March 5th. I turned around for 1 second, it's March 9th. Like his birthday came super quickly. Like he was just 1. So I'm gonna open up my package first, and this one I've been waiting for because this was supposed to be here like 3 days ago. This I really needed, and I actually got this for free because Temu actually gave me some credit for the last time that I ordered from them, and they said my package didn't come, but it actually did come. But I didn't say it didn't come. They just accepted that it didn't come. I didn't say nothing about it, so they just gave me credit, and I was like, oh, thank you, free money, I'm gonna use it. So I just used it on this super cute, oh my god, this is so cute actually. Like, actually, this is so cute. This super cute laptop case, are you kidding me? I haven't had a laptop case in like a couple of months. My last one was literally tore up like so bad, and I was refusing to walk out with my MacBook looking crazy. Like, it just looked so bad. I was like, no, I'm not doing it no more. So I took it off, and literally was actually falling off. It wasn't even staying on my MacBook anymore anyways, because I don't know, like, it just started crack, because I guess when I dropped my MacBook, like, it's just been cracking around the case, so like it just wasn't useful anymore. And it actually has like the feel of crocodile, and I was super surprised because, you know, it's Timo. Are you kidding me? And of course I had to get it pink. Y'all know I'm a pink girl. I will forever be a pink girly. And then for the bottom, just a plain, like, you know, plastic. Pretty sure I ordered the right size. Yay, it does. Finally, it's not naked anymore. It's been naked for too long. Like, y'all don't understand. All the girls in my class got laptop cases and they're just so fire. And then there's me with no case, bare, not even no stickers, like just straight bare MacBook. Love this, and I just feel like that girl again. Yeah, I know I'm in my college era. So new semester, need a new laptop case. Now on to what you guys probably been waiting for. Dior's outfit. It's kind of like the same concept as far as like color scheme as last year. Since it's a lot nicer outside, it's not like the same like style per se. Sneak peek. This is so cute. I just love how this comes. It's actually really, really cute. I was hoping I got a medium, not a small, because Dior is like pretty long. Stop. Because Dior doesn't have that many like outfits or like shirts. He has like mostly jackets. It's the other way for Diamond. She has mostly like outfits and shirts, but she doesn't have a lot of jackets. So I gotta like, you know, re-up for both of them on opposite things. But stop, y'all, because they dead had a matching dress for Diamond, so I gotta get Diamond a matching dress. The fly guy. Are you kidding? This is so cute, little Burberry. You already know I have the Burberry like leash and harness for him, so like, are you kidding me? Dior, you like your outfit? Yes! So I'm already ready. I'm gonna just get him ready, get Diamond ready, and then we're gonna head out. Like I said, we're gonna go shopping for the dogs, get them some toys. Well, get Dior some toys. Y'all already know I might get Diamond a toy too, because I just can't help it but get her one too. That's just me. That's pretty much it.
Yeah. Lexus like it's 07. I just hit a lick, gotta hit the next one. Last year I know you learned your lesson. I could GPS you if you need a dress.
We're in Burlington with the baby, and hopefully they have some stuff in the dog section, because y'all know the last time I came to Burlington, it was nothing. Now look at this toy. Do you like this toy? Look, it squeaks. How are we feeling about that one? Oh, he licked it. He likes it. You guys know I have to get the matching baby. They have a pink one for Diamond. No, because Dior dead likes that one. Hold on. He literally loves that one. We have to get him that one. Are you kidding me? Oh, he's not feeling that one. He already got his switch. Okay, fine. And y'all, they still got the same jacket, and I wanted to get Diamond last time, but the same size. Like, cute. Diamond, come here. Wouldn't this be so cute on here? Come on now. This one? Do you want? Look. You want to start with Diamond? Here. That was easier than I thought. And they have a big selection this time. This is like not really a lot compared to the other Burlingtons, but this is a lot compared to when the last time I came, because they only had like 2 or 3 toys last time. Y'all see him? Like, he really loves that toy. Stop. Y'all. Stop it. I literally want to cry right now. These toys are huge. I feel like I should get the one of these too. But it's like bigger than them. Literally almost the same size. Y'all know I have to smell candles. This smells good. It smells like baby powder. Okay, why when I don't need candles, y'all, Burlington got some good smelling candles. I've never smelled a good candle twice in a row. Y'all, I found a fruit punch room spray. I don't smell fruit punch, but I smell like a tropic. It smells good to me. Wait, because why is Burlington eating with the artwork, y'all? Look at this texture. I love this. This one's cute too. And this one's kind of cute too with the little like fringes. But Dior is being simple today. He just wants his one little toy. Well, one big ass toy. That toy is big. Alright guys, as you guys know, I went to Target before I went to Burlington. But like I told you guys, I forgot y'all in the car. That's my bad. Y'all know how bad I've been obsessed with the Bullseye playground section. But then it came back even harder. So I got me these cute little clear acrylic like mini milk carton bottles to put like, you know, lemon water, cucumber water, strawberry lemon water. Then I realized that they don't even twist off, y'all, at the top. That kind of like really grind my gears, because I'm like, bro, I was so ready to have it so aesthetically pleasing with my fruits, you know, infused water, but I still do like them, so I'm gonna get me 2 more. And then I also got this from the Bullseye section. It was also $1, just a cute little, again, like milk carton, I guess you would say. And obviously I got this for like when I make my little coffees and I do like little reels. I could like put my creamer in here and like do like the little cold foam moment, you know what I mean? And then I got me some nails to try. I really wanted to try these. I've been seeing this for a minute, and on TikTok I saw that Amazon has like those French tip design ones, and I really want to try those as well, but they don't come with a light or like a cure gel or anything to make it exactly like a salon experience when it comes to like the way it's gonna look. So this actually has everything. It has the gel adhesive and the cure light, which I love, and it comes with 30 full cover nails. And even when I'm done with these, I could use these same tools for my press-on nails. So I was like, a win is a win. I actually got these from Kiss before and I love this design. And then I'm about to really put y'all on, because when I tell you guys, this perfume smells just like Baccarat, hands down. There's a lot of perfumes that people say smell like Baccarat, and I just feel like honestly most of them really don't. I told you guys that the Ariana Pink Cloud perfume smells just like it. It does, but I didn't mention that it has like a sweet after scent, which is still good. Like I feel like it's more like a sweeter version of Baccarat, because Baccarat is unisex, and I feel like the Ariana Cloud kind of like puts like a girly spin on Baccarat, which I think is perfect. Literally go to your local Target, go to the fragrance section where like Finery is. I'm pretty sure the girls already knew about this, but I didn't, so we're gonna act like this is new. For those who don't know, we on the same time. Y'all can't tell me this gradient design does not look so cute, and it just smells, like I said, exactly like Baccarat. Like I don't know what it's supposed to be inspired by, but it smells just like it. And then last but not least, I got me some candles. I got these from the Chesapeake Bay candle line. This smells so good. I don't know what plum cake smells like, but I'm assuming it smells like this. And it has like that spice like after scent. And the last scent that I got is Jasmine Boutique. This one smells like a flower, of course, like the jasmine flower. And I'm not really a fan of like florally scents when it comes to candles. It still smells good. It kind of like gives off like a clean linen flowery scent, if that could even go together. But it's definitely like a clean, subtle, not doing too much scent, and I love that.
We can ride in the 88 cut. Gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that. With a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. We can ride in the Bentley. Ghost ride to the city on me. We can ride in the 88 cut. Gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that. With a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that.
Ooh, we actually get it like that. Ass fast and pretty like that. Girl, you don't need a Birkin for that. You gon' have a nigga working for that. 187, I'm working that. Looking back at it when you're throwing it back. You gon' be sad when I'm pulling your cash. Girl, you so nasty, put it up in your. Girl, take your time with it. All the time you need. I'm in no hurry. It's whatever, it's however you want it. Think of an adder on you, oh how stunning. Stunning.
Yeah, we can ride in the Bentley. Ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 cut. Gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that. With a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that.